Have you noticed that your legs feel weaker every morning, or that it's getting harder to get up from bed, climb the stairs, or even walk across the room without feeling drained? You're not alone. After 70, many people start to experience muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, a natural but frustrating condition where the body slowly loses muscle strength, flexibility, and balance. But here's the real issue. It's not just about feeling weak during the day. At night, muscle loss affects your sleep more than most people realize. When your leg or back muscles shrink and weaken, your body struggles to stay comfortable in bed. You may toss and turn, wake up with leg cramps, or even feel numbness and tingling that keep you from getting deep rest. Has this ever happened to you? You lie down, finally ready to sleep, but your legs just won't stay still. Or you wake up feeling sore and stiff, as if you didn't sleep at all. Let me know in the comments if you felt this way, because it's one of the most common yet ignored signs that your muscles are starving for nutrition and repair. Now, here's the thing. You don't need expensive supplements or powders to fix this. There's a simple, natural food, something that costs less than $1, that when eaten before bed, can help your body rebuild muscle while you sleep. Yes, you heard that right. While you're resting, this food helps restore muscle fibers, improve circulation, and even support joint recovery overnight. Stick around, because the best tip is coming in just a minute, and I'll show you exactly how to use this bedtime food to wake up stronger, more flexible, and full of energy again. And before we continue, like the video if you're yet to, subscribe to Green Health Channel, and turn on your notification bell. All right, so what's this powerful food that helps rebuild weak muscles while you sleep? It's not a supplement, it's not a protein shake, and it's definitely not some fancy powder from the store. It's something small, natural, and surprisingly affordable. Quail eggs. Yes, those tiny speckled eggs that most people overlook are one of the most powerful muscle-rebuilding superfoods nature ever made. You see, quail eggs are loaded with high-quality protein, amino acids, and essential nutrients like vitamin B12, iron, and selenium, all of which your body desperately needs to repair worn-out muscle fibers and boost energy. And here's why eating them before bed makes all the difference. During sleep, your body naturally goes into repair and recovery mode. That's when your muscles rebuild themselves, but only if they have the right nutrients available. Quail eggs deliver complete proteins that feed your muscles while you rest, helping you wake up stronger, more stable, and less sore. And get this, compared to chicken eggs, quail eggs contain almost twice the nutrients in a smaller size, with more protein per gram, and they're easier to digest. That means your body can absorb the nutrients quickly, right when your muscles need them most. Stick around, because in just a moment, I'll show you how many quail eggs to eat, the best way to prepare them before bed, and how often to include them to start seeing results within a week. You don't want to miss this part. How to eat quail eggs before bed safely and effectively. So, how exactly do you take quail eggs before bed to get the best results, especially if you're over 75? Let's break it down step by step. First, remember this: consistency is key. Your body rebuilds muscle little by little, not overnight, even though you'll start to feel stronger within days. That's why it's so important to make this a gentle, nightly routine, not just a one-time thing. Step 1. The right amount. For most seniors, 3 to 5 quail eggs before bed is the sweet spot. That's about the same protein as one large chicken egg, but far easier to digest and much lighter on the stomach. Because quail eggs are rich in amino acids like leucine and lysine, they trigger your body's natural muscle repair process while you sleep. So instead of waking up sore and tired, you wake up feeling more stable, refreshed, and strong. Has this ever happened to you? You try to get up in the morning and your legs just don't want to cooperate? Try this for 1 week and notice how much smoother your mornings become. Step 2, the best preparation method. Always go for boiled or lightly poached quail eggs, never fried. Boiling helps preserve all the natural vitamins, keeps the cholesterol stable, and prevents adding unnecessary oils or fats. Let them cool for a few minutes and eat them plain or with a pinch of turmeric or black pepper, both known to improve blood circulation and joint flexibility. And here's a little secret. Combine your quail eggs with a cup of warm chamomile or ginger tea before bed. It helps your body relax, supports digestion, and enhances the nutrient absorption process overnight. Stick around because I'll share in just a minute one small mistake people make when eating quail eggs that can cancel out all their benefits. You don't want to fall into that trap. Step 3, timing matters. Eat your quail eggs about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime, not right before you lie down. This gives your stomach time to start digesting, allowing your muscles to absorb the amino acids once you drift into deep sleep. That's the golden window for muscle recovery and hormone balance, when your body naturally releases growth and repair signals. Now, if you're worried about cholesterol or blood pressure, here's the good news. Quail eggs actually contain more HDL, the good cholesterol, than chicken eggs, and they help balance blood sugar and inflammation naturally. But as always, moderation matters. Stick to the 3 to 5 range and you're perfectly safe. Share this video with a friend or parent who's been feeling weak or tired lately, because sometimes all it takes is a small, nightly habit to bring the body back to strength again. And if you're still here, you'll love what's next. I'll show you the #1 mistake people make when trying to rebuild muscle after 75 and how to avoid it for faster results. Don't click away just yet. The #1 mistake. Now here's the part most people get wrong. They try to rebuild muscle by focusing only on exercise, but completely forget that muscle repair happens during rest, not movement. That's right. Lifting weights or walking every day is great, but if your muscles don't get the nutrients they need to rebuild, you're just breaking down tissue faster than your body can fix it. It's like trying to build a house with no bricks. And here's another common mistake, skipping dinner or eating too early. Many seniors stop eating after 6 p.m. thinking it helps digestion, but what really happens is your body goes to bed hungry for repair fuel. That's when nighttime muscle loss hits hardest. So instead, give your body a light, nourishing meal, then have your 3 to 5 boiled quail eggs about 30 minutes before bed. This simple habit keeps your muscles fed and your body rebuilding itself while you rest. Has this ever happened to you? You tried every exercise, every supplement, but nothing seemed to change? Now you know why. Your body was missing the nighttime nutrition window. The good news is, it's never too late to start rebuilding. Whether you're 75, 85, or even 95, your body is still capable of healing and growth. You just have to give it the right tools. So, tonight, try this. Boil 4 quail eggs, enjoy them warm, take a deep breath, thank God for another day, and go to bed knowing your body is working for you, not against you. Stick with this for a week and watch how your mornings start to change. You'll notice more energy, stronger legs, better balance, and deeper sleep, all from one simple bedtime habit. And if you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share this with someone over 70 who's been struggling to walk, move, or sleep comfortably. You might just help them feel young again. Before you go, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, because in our next video, I'll reveal 3 surprising morning foods that boost muscle strength and protect your joints all day long. Stick around. Your best years are still ahead. Thank you for watching to the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, green health cares.